Blue Jazz Anniversaries. Blue glow of boredom. Perhaps apathy dances across his face. Not so much older, but aged. It reflects off the replacement eyes that made reading possible again. Back when he still had the passion for that escape, he prefers something more mindless now. Thinks of those days. There are anniversaries everywhere. Blue spark in those eyes has returned, but he questions the reason, as he does when those things happen. But dear God, is she beautiful? Even more so than in her youth, new and improved with her scars, and the grief she carries in a journal. Blue glow of apathy. Perhaps boredom, hungry, lifelong lonely, and soul exhaustion are just part of their common threads.